This is what we've had. 3 words for today's video. Ambition is critical. Right, so today I'm going to be harvesting the long-awaited single seed potato. So, as many of you already know, a lot of the cuttings all got blight and failed. So I've been through all these little pots, had a little fertile around and pulled out what was there. I haven't done them all, I've only done a couple of them. Some of these, there might still be something under them, but we'll do all that in part 2. So, there might be something in these. There was small potatoes on them all when I planted them, which is why I dug through these, and I'll show you them now. But this one, that one, that one, that one, that one, and those 2. So out of 2, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tubs. This is what we've had. Not bad, eh? That's why I said ambition is critical. So to begin with, any sort of shot of winning this thing, there's got to be some decent potatoes in these 6 tubs. So we've got 6 tubs in here. I'm going to do 3 of them today. See how that goes. Depending on how long the video is, I'll split it into 2 and do the other 3 in another video. And as you can see, Bobby's just pulled one of the onions out of there. These were from another 2. You can go up there. We've got an onion in that one and an onion in that one still. So we'll take this one, that one, and that one. Right, the best thing to do is start with this one. Potatoes? Yeah, that's where we're going to put the potatoes, okay? In there. Even brought the spare tub. Said, ambitious. Right, so we've got an onion. Right, Bobby, do you want to come here, mate? Come here and help Dad now. So there's going to be lots of potatoes in here, hopefully. So this is a 35 litre tub. And I started these off really early. They died back a good few weeks ago, and I've just had them sat in the polytunnel just so it's nice and dry. Hopefully, there's plenty of nice potatoes in here.
Look, a big one!
Yeah, big one. Put them in there. Carefully. Definitely some nice sized potatoes in there. No, careful.
Big one.
Yeah. Sit in the basket. On there.
Look, tiny. Look at that.
When I plant a single seed potato in a 30 litre container, I get 4 or 5. Steve sends me a seed potato, I cut it up, and we get bloody loads. So there's the root mass on the bottom of the stem. Yeah.
Whoa, 2.
Yeah, put that one in the basket.
Okay. Happy. It's happy. Huge.
Yeah, another little one. Every little helps.
Tiny. A tiny potato. A tiny potato.
Oh, another one.
A big one.
Well, we are going to end up with
Tiny. A tiny.
a nice load of compost after all this anyway.
Big one.
Right, shall we try another one?
A tiny one.
Let's put the onion first. So, I planted these onions in most of my pots of potatoes this year. Some did really well, others haven't, but I'm still getting them. Decent sized onion.
Potato.
Just had the
Oh,
spare plants, and I seen there was a bit of space in these pots at the time,
oh, stop.
so they went in.
A big one.
Not with the shovel, we don't need the shovel, mate. Wow, big one. That's a big one. That was split and gone bad,
Heavy.
but we're going to weigh it anyway.
No.
Ah, big ones.
Heavy.
Yeah, put them in there gently. Should have really harvested these a couple of weeks ago, but I've been holding off. Doesn't seem to be as many in that one.
Yeah.
There wasn't as many, but the potatoes were bigger. That's not part of it. Where that's come from? Must have been from the other day. Must have been on the bed and I missed it.
Potato. A broke.
That's not potato, that's right, mate, that's mud.
A
Yeah. And last pot for today. And this is probably the onion that did the best in the pots. So is it a worm? Go and put it in the compost bin. Good boy. Definitely a big yielding variety. Don't think there's any big enough to be taken to Malvern, but did you put it in the box? In the worm bin? Go and put it in the compost. Yeah, that one there. Right, well, I don't think we're getting anywhere near Robert's weights, but definitely happy with that harvest. So we'll get these poured out, have a look at them. I'll get them weighed up, do that off camera, get the weights sent to Steve, and you can find out how much they weighed once everyone else has added their weights in. Yeah, overall, some lovely potatoes there. Yeah, put them in the compost then. Told you.
It hurt me.
It's not hurt you. Come here. Come on, let's put it in the compost. Come with me. Right then, so out of the three, 2 35 litres and 1 30 litre, there's some really nice potatoes there. Some of them starting to re-sprout by the looks of it. But no, very happy with them. And we will be getting on. I will be weighing these, but like I said, I'll do that off camera and just send the results to Steve. I don't think I'm going to be beating Robert. We do still have 3 more tubs in the polytunnel, but we'll do them on a separate video. And not only the potatoes, we also had 3 nice onions in there as well.